everyone, today I am excited to introduce you to the Saksham Scholarship, a fantastic opportunity provided by the Mahindra Finance. This initiative is designed to support educational aspiration of the children belonging to a driver's family and helping them to achieve their dreams of brighter future. Not only this, we have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Wait, not only scholarship, now we are providing information about internship opportunities as well. Check now. The Saksham Scholarship aims to uplift the educational landscape by providing the support to the children of drivers, including those who are operating a light motor vehicle and a small commercial vehicles. This initiative by Mahindra Finance underscores the fostering the education and empowering the communities. Here is what this scholarship offers. For the 5th to 8th standard students, 5,000 for an year. And students of 9 and 10 will get 8,000 for the 1 year, and students of class 11 and 12 will receive 10,000 for an year, and graduate students will receive 15,000 for 1 year, and postgraduate students will receive 20,000 for an year. This financial assistance aims to cover their educational expenses and support throughout their education academic journey. Ensure that you have a following documents ready while applying for this scholarship: previous year mark sheet of the qualifying examination, photo identity proof, that might be Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license or PAN card, income certificate proof, that is form 16A, or income certificate from any government authorities or the payslips, admission proof, that may include a fees receipt, bona fide certificate, admission letter, fee structure or anything, bank account details of the applicant, that might be a cancelled check or a passbook copy, commercial driving license if applicable, contract copy, income proof or employee ID card for any cab drivers without having a commercial license, address proof like having a domicile certificate, ration card, electricity bill or anything, and a passport size photograph as a proof. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link mentioned in the description box and you will be redirected to a Saksham Scholarship page where you will find 4 to 5 different educational level applications. As an example, I am taking here post-graduation link. Click on apply button and then you need to fill the details of your name, Aadhaar card, email ID, date of birth, gender, 10-digit mobile number and alternate number, and current class you are studying in. Along with that, you need to give the details. Do you have any disabilities? If yes, give the detail or the percentage of the same, or else you can click on the no option. Next, let's provide the details about your school or college, that is name of the school or the college, board or the university you are studying in, complete address along with the state, district and the pin code, and make sure that provide the school or college contact number as well. Now you need to provide the detail about a parent or a guardian like driving license number, expiry date, name of a mother, father and the guardian, and type of the motor vehicle they are driven like light motor vehicle, commercial vehicle, auto rickshaw or others. Specify or select the option as per it, and next select the option from the drop down, that is your annual family income. Then you need to provide the detail, is your monthly income is fixed or not. Provide the complete residential address. Next, you need to provide the bank details of the student, that is account holder name, account number, please confirm it once again, IFSC code and confirm it again. Mandatory documents to be uploaded are passport size photograph, then current year admission proof, that might be a fees receipt, ID card, bona fide certificate or the letterhead of the college. Then you need to upload the driving license front side and back side of your parent or a guardian. Then you need to upload your Aadhaar card of front side and back side copies. Then you need to upload a income proof of your parent or the guardian, and you need to upload a bank details with a passbook or cancel check. Double check all the information and check the uploaded documents once again, and self declaration you have to do by clicking the checkbox which defines that all the above given information are true. And next you need to give the details like referred by. There you can select the option of others and you can enter the global scholarship name. And last question of the application is how did you apply, whether it is online or you have taken someone else. You can click on online and click on the submit button. If you need more alerts on scholarships and internship, then you need to upgrade to Plus. Not only alerts, you will get a support and guidance from the experts. Even you will get the statistics of the scholarship, like how many have applied for this scholarship and what are the chances you have winning for this particular scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade now for only $599, and the best part is you can access the platform for lifetime or till you complete your education. To be eligible for this scholarship, applicant school must be located in Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra or Gujarat. This scholarship is open for all gender and all category. Applicant must have secured minimum of 60% in previous academic year. This scholarship is is open for the students from class 5 to till post-graduation. One of the parents should be a driver of light motor vehicle or small commercial vehicle and should hold a valid driving license. Applicant family income should not exceed more than 3 lakhs rupees. Children or the family member of Mahindra Finance and Buddy for Study are not eligible for this scholarship. Maximum of 2 students from the same family are eligible for this scholarship. Applicant must be studying in any year of their graduation or post-graduation. And as I have said earlier, there are multiple scholarship and internship information available on our portal, The Global Scholarship. Visit now.